Yes, the Singer Le Mans is a note-perfect 1930s sporty two-seater with a throaty engine and tuned-up suspension. A little symphony of motoring magic, perfect for screaming around country lanes.
This is exactly the kind of place
Yes.
where
Right.
you can find a Singer Le Mans. Welcome to Loughton Park Hill Climb, Tim. And this little beauty shows us where everything should go.
Yes.
And also exactly how one of these cars should handle on a track. Get your helmet on.
We're going hill climbing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on then. Yeah.
Now, all
Nice
we have to do is
helmet.
get in. Here we go. Right, I've got one leg in. Right. Come on. That's it. Yeah, no, get it in first. That's it. You think you've got a problem? I can't get to the clutch.
Oh, God. Do you want me to do the clutch?
Yeah. Get your boot off, mate.
All right.
Right, that's it. Right, put your foot over my leg.
Yeah.
Right.
Is that the clutch?
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah. Right, I've got the clutch down.
Okay, let it out.
Clutch coming up.
Okay,
Oh,
good
yes.
man. Here we go. Freewheel cars are so utterly amazing. You cannot take your mind off what you're doing for a second. Down. It's like wrestling with a wild alligator. This is absolutely amazing. Down. Okay, here we go. Hold tight, Tim.
Horrible hanging nail rolling around the bottom.
I'm sorry.
Just trap my feet
I'm sorry. There's no room in here.
Edge of the seat excitement was just what Singer had in mind when they launched this budget sports car in 1932. Cutting-edge hydraulic brakes and a tuned-up 1-litre 4-cylinder engine meant the Le Mans drove like a little racing car. The Singer did successfully compete at the Le Mans 24 Hours, but its crowning glory came in 1936 when Betty Haig drove a 1.5-litre version over 2,000 miles into Germany for the Olympic car rally, topping the points and winning a gold medal. £215 bought a brand new Le Mans in the 30s, but today a good one will set you back over 20,000.